Alexander Kostellow is credited with creating the first industrial design pedagogy. The new program, developed in the 1930s, merged production requirements, aesthetics, and consumer needs. The methodology is based on abstract exercises, critically analyzing form in 2 dimensions and 3 dimensions, applied to pragmatic design problems and material and production processes. Students' work meet the standards of both use and beauty, summed up by Tucker Viemeister in the word butility. Born in Persia in 1897, Kostellow's journey through art and design moved through philosophy studies in Berlin to the United States, where he painted WPA murals in post offices. In the 1920s, he taught painting at the Kansas City Art Institute, where he met Rowena Reed and began developing a theory of rational structure of visual relationships, which he called plastic recession of form. He and Rowena Reed moved to Pittsburgh to teach at Carnegie Tech, where Donald Donor was developing the design process for industry program called Industrial Design. In 1934, Donner convinced Kostellow that painting was dead and that the future was not in classical fine arts, but training designers for industry. In 1933, Dean Boudreau invited Donner to teach at Pratt Institute, where he assembled a team of educators that included Ivan Rigby, Eva Zeisel, Ruth Taylor, Rowena Reed, and Alexander Kostellow, who together created and developed the curriculum that established how industrial design is taught to this day. In 1940, Kostellow was appointed Supervisor of Design and Structure to create a new comprehensive first-year program for all Pratt students. He called his experimental program Foundation, with exercises in color, graphic composition, 3D form, and figure drawing. It gave students the skills to think visually and see abstractly. That basic foundation program is now an essential component of most art and design schools. Kostellow's teaching, collected in the book Elements of Design, continues to guide educators in the 21st century. After Donner's death in 1944, Alexander became the supervisor of the Industrial Design Department. He built the Experimental Design Laboratory, merging corporate design studios with the curriculum engaging Pratt students. His final project was the General Motors Kitchen of Tomorrow in 1954. The Pratt Industrial Design curriculum influenced every design school in America, from Syracuse University to Stanford's D School, around the world from the University of Guadalajara in Mexico to Great Britain's Royal College of Art, and even to the modern Bauhaus. Although Alexander Kostellow did not practice design, his teaching influenced generations of designs and designers, from Corvettes to Cuisinarts, Oxo Good Grips, Knoll Furniture, Toomey Luggage, Estee Lauder Cosmetics, West Elm Furniture, Keurig Coffee, Nambe Bowls, Corningware, Sonos speakers, and even Boeing jets, and, well, you name it. And Alexander Kostellow's teaching probably had a hand in it.